One of the best ways if you want to help loons and you fish is just use non-lead tackle. If any of those lead sinkers get taken in by a loon, it's pretty much game over.
Give them 200 feet berth when you're driving your boat. Stay off the shoreline where most loons are. And not just power boats, but kayaks, canoes. Try to keep some natural vegetation on your lakes to give them that area to be able to nest.
People's fertilizers leach into the water and reduce water clarity. Well, loons are visual predators, so if the water's not clear, they're going to have more trouble finding their prey. So people need to say, hey, I love my loons, I'm not going to use fertilizer anymore on my lawn. Loons have to have the lakes, and people love the lakes, and so we have to figure out a way to get along. If there's steps we can take, why wouldn't we take those steps?